Hey everybody, welcome to BZTV. Today I'm gonna teach you a few breakdance moves. Are you ready? First of all, I'm gonna teach you a move and then I'm gonna give you time to practice. Shall we? The first move you're gonna learn today is the kick out. And as the name suggests, you gotta kick your legs out. So let's go. From a squat position, you're gonna put your left hand on the ground. One hand on your head, say oopsie daisy. I say it and you do it. You're gonna kick, bring it back, switch hands. Kick, bring it back, switch hands. See? That was easy peasy, lemon squeezy fish. Now I'm gonna put a timer for 10 seconds. We gotta do together. Start slowly and then to a normal pace. Are you ready? Let's go. Hand on the floor, oopsie daisy. Kick, bring it back, switch. Kick, bring it back, switch. Let's go. Now I'm gonna teach you the knee dip. Let's go. From a squat position, you're gonna place one hand on the floor, one hand on your head and say oopsie daisy. And then you're gonna dip your knee and bring it back. And then you're gonna switch hands, oopsie daisy, dip, bring it back. So when you put this hand on the floor, your knees go that way. When you put this hand on the floor, your knee goes that way. Watch. Bang, bang. And now I'm gonna put 10 seconds timer and we're gonna work together. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
You did it! Nice house.
He can see me.
I'm gonna teach you the helicopter. Before, say with me. Kick, sweep, hands over, lock, and hop. Hand on the floor, oopsie daisy, kick, sweep in front of you. Now hands over this leg, hands over, lock, and hop. Kick, sweep in front of you, stop in front of your belly button. Now both hands over this leg, hands over, lock, and hop. Kick, sweep, hands over, lock, and hop. Whew. Now I'm gonna put the timer for 10 seconds and we're gonna do it. How about we put everything together that you learned so far and we're gonna do for 15 seconds. We're gonna do knee dip, kick out, helicopter. Knee dip, kick, bring it back, switch hands. Kick, bring it back, switch hands. Kick, sweep, hands over, lock, and hop. Now, shall we do the timer? Let the time begin. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Kick, bring it back, helicopter! Ta, 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 ta. Oh, boom! Ta, 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 ta. Oh, you did it! Hey, did you enjoy our video? That was a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe because this year, every week I'll be putting a video here on this channel teaching you a bunch of cool stuff from 18 months to 10 years old. Breaking, parkour, arts, teaching, visiting places. So please stay tuned at Studio Dre YouTube channel.